How to set the default email address for iCloud Mail on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on the name of your account at the top. Then we go down and tap on iCloud. Next, tap on CO button right here. And then tap on iCloud Mail. Next, tap on Default Email. Now, if you have got more than one email account or if you have an alias, then you can select one of the available email address. And then tap on the back key. And that's it. So from now on, when you send out an email address, it will use the default email as a sender. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.